Genius. Small. Genius.
Genius.
Genius. Small.
Genius. Let me talk to you, my friend. More again. My friend, will you come out of here? Let me know what I'm doing. Genius. Genius, I don't understand. I want to sleep, I cannot sleep in peace. I'm hearing Kweko, Igbomo, you have killed me, this and that. Genius, what is happening? I cannot sleep.
Maziamukwe, is that why you are disturbing me this afternoon?
I'm hearing some sound, and the kind of sound that is making me as if I'm in a bozo.
Maziamukwe, what is it now?
More, what is it?
What is happening?
Tell her when men are talking not to put your mouth. Let's hear long again. No, I don't like it. If you want to do your back and with them, I don't have any problem. Take them out. We have people that you have peace of mind.
That's why I rented my house. You're not supposed to be. You know now, man shall not live by bread.
I know.
You used to call it a cock-a-cock. We need to do a cock-a-cock. You know now.
I know. But
things.
take them outside. They don't do it where I want to sleep. I don't blame you. I blame all these girls that you are bringing that are allowing you. That is why Amaka will always be number one example. Because Amaka, she can never be seen doing all this. You will do every. Gadi. Amaka.
Papa.
Mua, Papa. What are you doing inside here?
Size 3 songs.
3 minutes up.
3 songs. I'm going home. Don't worry, I'm going home. I'm going home.
3 songs, Amaka.
Maziamukwe.
You can imagine. Look at what you even turned into. Smoke. You can imagine. Rubbish. If you want to play with Maziamukwe, you don't know people that you joke with. Next time you will not try it again. What we want to do, Amaka. You don't try it with Mazi. Rubbish. Agadi. Anopi Akburamu.